Today's adventure takes this ladder rack and puts it up on this van here. Back in. On bottom side, I'm going to reuse the washer there. Put this flat washer back in, which what I'm going to have to do is bring it up a little. Bring it in. Going to use a lock nut, plastic on it. And now I'm just going to tighten it up. Always work on tightening and adjusting. This piece and pop it on. Now we're gonna have to bolt these on. I was considering moving, but I don't have a lot of space. First things first, start everything by hand. I'm gonna put a little never see so it doesn't come apart in the future. Now you're always going to want to face the bolts in. This looks better. Just a little, it's going to get threads. It'll have to come apart in the future one day. And you don't want to tighten until you have everything lined up. Reason for that is you might have to make adjustments. When you tighten it, you're not going to be able to make adjustments on it. Now let's move to the other side. Cars go by, I come here, everybody wants to drive by. Isn't that how things always work out? Then I got the washer here. Nope. Like missing the flare nut, but not really. Works better than missing the flare nut because here it comes off very easy. That's in. That's in. You can always wipe up your messes. All right. Now we put this up here, up there. Yeah, I think it was this back one. So that's going to add a fresh seal. This washer seems a little small for here. This is one of the newer ones. These are all the newer ones. They're a little small for up and down. I'm going to grab a different one. It'll slid right in. Alright, so now first part. So now it got dark, so I took a break. I reset this. I lifted it up and over because I had it on the wrong side to begin with. There's that bolt. Let's get the other one on. Trying to blow away. Everything wilts. It's a little windy today. Adding a little more of this. Since in the future this will come apart. Clean it up once I'm done. Napkins, really not needed. Let's get a wrench on this. Careful. Scraping on the roof. Let's see, maybe this will be better. Yep. Let's tighten a little more. Let's move to the other side. Tighten this side up.